Hello everyone, I'm Miss Embassy and I welcome you all in this video. Today in this video we will learn pronouns. Alright, so if you have the Grammar Connect book, just take out and let's open chapter 5, which is I, we, you, they, he, she, it. So today we will learn pronouns. You know children, I, we, you, they, he, she, it. These are words. I, we, you, they, he, she, it are words that can be used in the place of naming words. We call them pronouns. They are called pronouns. So what is pronouns? So I, we, you, they, he, she, it are words that can be used in the place of naming words are called pronouns. Okay, so you need to remember that. So before we start, let's open the first exercise, which is on the page number 22. Let's open with me. First exercise, tick the correct words given in the brackets to complete these sentences. So in the bracket, we can see the options I, we, she in the bracket. Are late. Which one would be the correct answer? The train must have left the station. So here we will choose we. Why do we choose we? Because we is used for two or more than one naming words of persons. We is used for two or more naming words of persons. For example, like Meera is a girl and I am a girl. Alright, so Meera and I both are girl. So it would be we are girls. So that's why we chose we. We are late. The train must have left the station. Number 2, father says boys, we, they, you in the bracket you can see should not tease stray animals. So which one would be the correct answer? The correct answer would be you should not tease stray animals. Alright. What's the use of you? You is used for one or more naming words of persons. For example, like Ria is in class 2. Ria is in class 2. It would be you are in class 2. Okay. So, number 3. Question Arunima. Arunima is a girl. So, when he, she and we words are used for people. Remember children, the word he, she and we are used for people. So he is used for a boy or a man. She is used for a girl or woman. Alright, so who is Arunima here? Arunima is a girl. So that is why we will take she. Alright, and she makes beautiful paintings. Number 4, show me this postcard. And the options are it, they, you is very colorful. You know children, postcard, what is postcard? Postcard is a thing. Alright, when we talk about anything, we will choose it. What's the use of it? Always remember children, it is used for one animal or thing. Alright, it is it word it is used for one animal or thing. Okay, so here it is talking about postcard, not more than one postcard. It's only one postcard. That is why we will choose it. Alright, so show me this postcard. It is very colorful. Let's see number 5. Don't forget to wash your clothes. So here clothes are things. Clothes are things because it's talking about more than one clothes. And in the question 4 we saw postcard is also a thing and we chose it because postcard it's talking about one postcard. That is why we tick it. And the number 5, clothes are also a things but we will choose they because clothes are not, it's not talking about one cloth, it's talking about more than one clothes. That is why we will choose they. You know the use of they? What are the use of they? Pronoun they is used for more than one person, more than one animal, or more than one thing. So clothes are more than one things. So we will choose they. So it would be, don't forget to wash your clothes. They are very dirty. Next one is, options are we, I, she. Am going to the zoo on Wednesday. So we will choose I. I am going to the zoo on Wednesday. You know children, what's the use of I? I is used for a person, which is not a naming word but is used in place of naming words. I is not a naming word, remember, okay, but is used in the place of naming words. So I is used in place of naming words. Alright, so I am going to the zoo on Wednesday. So let's see the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with I, we, you, they, he, she, or it. Do you see? Number 1, Rita is very friendly person. Dash likes to help everyone. Who is Rita? Rita is a girl. So we already know that we use she in the place of Rita. Okay, we represent girl as she. So we will write she. Next is, my father is in office now. Father, who is father? Father is a person and he is a boy. So father we will use he. For boy or a man we will use he. So he will come home at 8:30 p.m. Alright, number 3, Neeraj and I are friends. Neeraj and I are friends. Here it's talking about more than one person. So here we will use we. We study together. Number 4, Ram and Ranjan are brothers. They resemble each other a lot. Here number 4 is talking about more than one persons, and so that is why we will write they. Because I have already told you that the use of they is used for more than one person. So here it is talking about more than one persons. That is why we chose they. So we will write they here. They resemble each other a lot. Number 5, do not eat too much. Dash will gain weight. Do not eat too much. You will gain weight. Alright. So the use of you is used for one or more naming words. Alright. You is used for one or more naming words of persons. For example, you can see like Ria is in class 2. So it would be you are in class 2. So we will use you in the place of Ria, in the place of naming words. Alright. So that is why we chose you and we will write you here. Let's see number 6. Arun has a pet dog. It has a bushy tail. We will write it. Okay, we will write it. What's the use of it, children? Always remember, children, the pronoun word it is used for one animal or thing. So here it is talking about a dog. Dog is animal, so we will write it. We will use it. Arun has a pet dog. It has a bushy tail. Got it, children? Now let's see the another exercise. Correct the highlighted words in these sentences and write them in the space provided. Rupa is good at studies. They will score good marks. So here the correct answer would be, who is Rupa? Rupa is a girl. So, and it is talking about one girl. So we will write in the place of they, we will write she. Alright. The answer would be she. Let's see number 2. Sonia and I are friends. We play together. We will write here we because Sonia and I are friends. We already have told you children, we is used for more than one person. So here it is talking about more than one person. Sonia and I is more than one. So we will write here we play together. The correct answer would be we. Okay, so let's see number 3. It is Shruti's birthday today. It is Shruti's birthday today. You is very excited. So what would be the correct answer here? Who's Shruti? Shruti is a girl. I have already told you children. When we talk about a girl, we will write she. She is very excited. The correct answer would be she. Next one is it do not like burgers. Give me a sandwich please. What would be the correct answer? It would be I do not like burgers. It would be I do not like burgers. Give me a sandwich please. I have already told you children what's the use of I. Next is number 5. Mahesh and Shreya are cousins. We go to school together. Mahesh and Shreya are cousins. We go to school together. The correct answer would be they go to school together because we are talking about them. Mahesh and Shreya. So the correct answer would be they go to school together because here why we will write they here because Mahesh and Shreya are two persons, more than one. So we will write they go to school together. Let's see number 6. Ajit is not coming with us. Is you going to the park? What be the correct answer children? Ajit is not coming with us. Is he going to the park? What would be the correct answer? The answer would be he. Why? Because Ajit is a boy. And we will write he in the place of Ajit. Alright. So children, I hope you all understand. So you need to learn. Now you know what are pronouns. Alright. I, we, you, they, he, she, it are words. I have already told you, right? These are words. These are words that can be used in the place of naming words. They are called pronouns. So these are pronouns. So you need to understand, you need to learn more. So children, I hope you all learned what are pronouns. Thank you.